Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in Google Docs. Now, in order for us to get started, we are here right now, and this, say for example, is something that you're working on. And if you want to add something like a hyperlink, say for example, the company name is going to be Google, and let's just go ahead and add a hyperlink on this company. Now, to do that, you can actually go ahead to the link that you want to copy. Say for example, this one. I'm going to go ahead and copy it just like so. Head over here, and then I'm gonna right click, and then if you're going to scroll down below, you should be able to see here insert link. Additionally, you can just go ahead and click Control K on your keyboard, and you should be able to have something like this. Now go ahead and type it here or paste it here, and then hit apply. And there you go. So now if you're going to head over or hover over here, you should be able to see the link now. You can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to redirect you to that exact same link. And that, everybody, is how you are going to insert hyperlink in Google Docs.